Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see the first topic of biology, that's the fundamental unit of life for class 9th. Well, there are around 4 million living organisms. Yemen manzant include jigasa, sari bacteria, protists, fungi, plants, animals. Out of these 4 million, you got 1.2 million animal species and 0.5 million plant species. Yem organisms have great diversity. Magar akh cheez chu aman functions, yani these organisms they perform certain basic functions in a similar manner. Sari organisms chu asa banamit one or more types of cells, yani ek khud zyada qisman hind cell hind chu asa banamit. Yum sari living organisms are cellular in nature. So we can define the cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. God which was image discovery, yani cell kit point I discover karna. Historical aspects which is at Guarnat units months. Guarnat Robert Hooke in Shorashat. He was an English botanist. Him observe cork a kuluk bark of a tree. Him was a microscope of using self-designed compound microscope. I wish him honeycomb like compartments. Him to yatmaziki wushit. The aim dut aman now cella. Yani a Latin word, but yani yat mimumani go cella means a little room. The aim lish pat karim explain ex kitab maz micrographia asmans. Actually, walls of cell walls in compartments. Microscope and what he observed in that bark of a tree under his own self-designed microscope. Go Binyatro Imi. Anton von Leeuwenhoek. He was a Dutch draper. In which living cells bacteria, the Bayushin erythrocytes of fish Bayushin sperms. In 1674, Impata Biaka scientist was Shorashat Daishits Mans and grew. Imdut cell concept. Imun Dopan Imzanti cell has such as a unit of structure of organisms. Biak scientist of Robert Brown in 1831, he discovered the nucleus in the root cells of orchid plants. Impata Biaka scientist in 1839, that was now Purkinje. In this term, protoplasm you cell manz asan chhe, even jelly like semi-fluid material you cell hond asan chhe, atho im now protoplasm. He termed this Purkinje. Impatai base scientist, X was now M.J. Sheldon, Bix was now T. Shivon in 1839. Imoker proposed a cell, pani cell theory. Yeah, you said the bananas ki basic structural, the functional unit of all plants and animals is cell. Biawak scientist of in 1858, that was now Rudolf Virchow. He was a German physiologist. Him propose theory of cell lineage. Him one ki nai cell has a bana pre-existing cell. But him already exists cell asan chu. Him way patch nai cell bana. Base scientist X was now Noll, Bix was now Ruska in 1932. Amakoruk design electron microscope. The aim side apat wishna cell hund ultra structure. Yani yem cell maz mukhtalif organelles asan chu, nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi वगैरह amai pat aim side study karna. Go historical aspect regarding the discovery of cells. तो वुची चूंकि ऐसे लोग पता कि तमाम organisms they are made up of cells. You cell जो आसान इच basic structural the functional unit of life. तो वो कैसा cell आसान on the basis of number of cells. यानी cell कैसा आसान आठ पैच organisms divide करने into two types. एक चीज़ वाला first type is unicellular organism and the other one is multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms get them organisms which are made up of only one type of cell, which are made up of only one cell. यानी तम organism यम सिर्फ एक cell हिंद बनाए मत आसान चे तिमन चीज़ बना unicellular organisms. For example, आत्म शिवाइस پروٹوزوانز لایک ایموبا چھِ آسان یا پیرامیشیم بیٚیہِ ییٖسٹ سیل تہٕ بیٚیہِ بیکٹیریا سیلز بیکٹیریا تہٕ یِم چھِ آسان دے آر یوٗجؤلی جنرلی مایکروسکوپِک آرگنِزمٕز یِم چھِ أسۍ وٕچھان کَمہِ سۭتۍ مایکروسکوپ سۭتۍ تہٕ یِمن منٛز چھِ آسان ڈِوجن آف لیبر بِٹویٖن د سیل آرگنلز آف د سیم سیل یعنی اَکٕے سیل چھِ کران تمام کامہِ یِمن منٛز فار ایگزامپل یِمن منٛز یِم مُختٔلِف آرگنلز آسان چھِ تٔتی چھِ گژھان سارے کامہِ یعنی مایٹوکانڈریا چھِ کران ریسپریشن کلوروپلاسٹ چھِ کران فوٹوسِنتھسس رایبوزومز چھِ بناوان پروٹیٖنز ایٹسٹرا یِتھٕے پٲٹھۍ گٔے بیاکھ سیکنڈ ٹایپ ملٹی سیلر آرگنِزمٕز یِم چھِ آسان بنیامٕتۍ واریاہن سیلن ہٕنٛدۍ یِمن چھِ بیٚیہِ أسۍ وَنان میٹازونز تہِ فار ایگزامپل یِم ہایر پلانٹس أسۍ وٕچھان چھِ یا اینِملز یِمن منٛز چھِ آسان کرور لچھ بٔدی سیلز تہٕ اَتھ منٛز یِمن منٛز ڈِوجن آف لیبر آسان چھِ ملٹی سیلر آرگنِزمز منٛز یہِ چھُ آسان مُختٔلِف اِٹ اِز بِٹویٖن ڈِفرنٹ سیلز یا ٹِشوٗز یا آرگنز آف د سیم آرگن یعنی مُختٔلِف آرگن چھِ کران مُختٔلِف کامہِ یا مُختٔلِف ٹِشوٗز یا گروپ آف سیلز چھِ کران مُختٔلِف کامہِ یِمن منٛز چھِ آسان ڈِفرنسیشن تہٕ بیٚیہِ سپیشلایزیشن اِن دِیر سٹرکچر تاکہِ تِم کرن مُختٔلِف کامہِ بیٚیہِ سپیسفِک کامہِ تھینک یوٗ